Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Tryhackme, which is capture the flag. And this loom has some collections to the encoding, different types of encoding. For example, like translation, shifting, decoding, and answers are all case sensitive. Okay, all right, we can do these tasks one by one. And the first one, of course, this one is very easy. We can make a reasonable guess. Can you capture the flag? And here, next, I'd like to use the Cyberchef to do the decoding. You know, Cyberchef is very strong or powerful. The decoding tool, as you can see over here, this is the web application for encryption, encoding, compression, and data analysis. I've already opened up this website of Cyberchef. We can put it in here. Sorry, not this one. We can copy the data and paste in the Cyberchef. And we can select appropriate operations to bake. And this, of course, this is the binary. Binary. Very easy. So let's try some binary out. We can copy the output and then put in here. Let's submit. And now the next one. It looks like this is encoded in base. However, at this moment, we are not sure which specific type of the operation has been used. We can copy, and then we can try in the Cyberchef. We can select like a base, because at the end has equal. So maybe the base 64? Yeah, this is not working. So maybe base 32, which is correct. We can copy the output and paste in here. Let's submit. All right. Now we can move next one. Yeah, this one. We can paste in here. So base 32 is not correct operation. For this case, we can clear the spaces and select the base 64. And then we can copy the output and then paste in here. Very easy. And the next one we can copy. Yeah, this looks like this value is encoded in hexadecimal, right? We can paste in here. And we can remove the existing operation. This should be hex. From hex, yeah, we got the correct output. Very easy to answer. We can put it in here. Oh, submit. And this one, yeah, from the content or the data itself, maybe this data is encoded in route 13 or other, because we can copy and try with the Cyberchef. So we can select ROT 13. Yeah, we got the result. We can copy and paste in here. No problem. And this one, yeah, this is again encoded in rotation operation or algorithm. We can copy and paste in here. Yeah, route 13 is not correct operation. Maybe the next one, 47. Yeah, we got the result and we can put in here. Let's submit. And we can go to the next one. Yeah, this one is very easy because this is, yeah, I'm so certain this is the most encoding. And we can paste in here. And we can select most from most code. And we got the result. Put it in here, submit. And then we can copy. I think this looks like this encoded in the decimal. So we can remove. We can select decimal. Yeah, we got the output, which is reasonable or makes sense, right? And the last one, you know, this is very long text, and we can copy. Maybe we cannot, this way we cannot make the, okay, we have already got the entire copy. If you, yeah, this way, if you cannot make an entire copy of this text, you can open up the inspect developer tool, and then, for example, here, and now we can locate this text and then navigate to this place, and then you can, yeah, this would be easier to make a copy. Okay, so now I can make a copy, and we can paste in the input. Yeah, this from the end symbol, we can tell this data is encoded in base, maybe 32 or 46, right? So we can select base 64. Yeah, it's correct. However, the output is encoded again. And this is the most. And this one is, the output is encoded by the binary, right? Binary. Yeah, however, yeah, we got the output, which doesn't make sense, right? So maybe there's some rotation operation involved. So we can select ROT 13, which is not correct. 47. Yeah, this time we got the correct output. However, this output is encoded in decimal, right? We can decimal. Yeah, this time we get the output which makes sense, and we can copy and we can paste in here. Let's submit, which is correct. Let me close down some tabs of a browser. And next, I think we need to move to the task 2. Yeah, this is the spectrograms. It's a visual representation of the spectrum of frequencies of a signal as it varies with time. When applied to an audio signal, spectrograms are sometimes called sonographs, voice prints, or voice grams. And I've already downloaded these task files onto the Kali Linux. And yeah, we need to use another tool, Audacity, to analyze the hidden message. So we can, yeah, go into my Kali Linux. We can use the Audacity. Press enter. Okay, done. And then we can open the audio file. Yeah, this one, open. And we can right click, and select the spectrogram. As you can see, we got the hidden or secret message, super secret message. All right, we can answer this question. Super secret message. Submit. Yeah, next one, yeah, we'll jump into Steganography, and I've already downloaded this task files or picture, and I think I can close down this Audacity. Yeah, this file is one we need to. Sorry, I need to remove the history file. So the two I'd like to use is, the first one is steghide extract steg. However, we need to supply the passphrase. And next we can use stegseek. I think I've already demonstrated using these two tools very often, right? Steg. As you can see, this picture has been extracting to this file. We can cut out this file. And yeah, we got the output. We can make a copy and answer this question. Next, we can go to the last task. And this security through obscurity. And we have already downloaded the task files. And now go back to the one. This one, this picture, I'd like to remove the history file. First, I'd like to use, because this is a picture, first I'd like to use the file command to check the type of this file, which is JPEG file, image file. Next, we can use the steghide. Again, we need to provide the passphrase, which we do not have, right? And then we can use the stegseek. And the memo. Nothing. So next we can use exiftool and to display metadata of this picture. Nothing interesting. Next we can use the binwalk. We got some result or output, and we can go inside into this directory. So we got this file name, and we can copy, submit, go inside the archive and inspect the file carefully, find the hidden text. All right. Also, we can use the strings, or we can cut out. Nothing there. And also we can, we can strings. Haha, we found the final flag. We can copy. Let's submit. All right, congratulations. So at this point, we have already completed all 4 tasks without any issue, right? So I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.